Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install golang 1.19, that is Go programming language 1.19 on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 operating system. So now I am going to show you how to install Go 1.19 for a single user, okay, that is for current user, okay. So this is a binary for Go 1.19 for Linux. So I am extracted the tar.gz file. So this is extracted content. So I am going to rename this file to go-1.19. So it's available in the path /opt go-1.19. You can also see there multiple versions of Go is available. You can also install multiple versions of Go in same box. Okay, so Go 1.19 bin directory contains executables. Okay, so I am going to add Go 1.19 bin directory to the bash profile settings of the current user. Okay, so this is a bash profile. Let me open the text editor. Okay, so I am going to append the bin directory to the Linux path variable so that Go commands will be available in the Linux terminal. So this is the syntax. So make sure that syntax is correct. Okay, save the bash profile. Now come to terminal. Okay, now come to terminal. So source bash underscore profile is the command. So this command will load the latest settings in the bash profile. Now try the go command. Yes, I can able to run go 1.19 command. Now let me run one Go program. Okay, let me run one Go program. Okay, this is the program to check whether here is leap year or not. So I am going to run this program to check the given year is leap year or not. Go run leap year.go. Yes, so I can able to run the Go program. So Golang 1.19 is available for current user, that is it's configured for single user successfully, but here many users are available in this machine. Okay, see here 2 users are there. Okay, so only Java FRM only can execute the Golang 1.19 commands currently. User Ramanathan cannot execute the command because it is not configured globally. Okay, so Golang is not configured globally. It's available only for the current user. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am deleting the settings from bash profiles. That is bash profile of the current user. Okay, now what I am going to do next, I am going to terminal, switch as a root user, go to cd/etc/profile.d. Okay, as a root user, go to cd/etc/profile.d. Now I am going to create one shell script file called golang.sh. So here I am going to paste that deleted lines. Yes, so same line which I have written in bash profile I am pasting here in golang.sh. So what will happen, whenever user logins, this golang.sh shell script will be called and automatically environment variable for Go 1.19 will be set, and Go 1.19 will be available for all the users. Okay, now I am going to log in as a user called Ramanathan. Okay, now let me check whether Go is available globally or not. Yes, I can able to run the Go command. Let me confirm by running one program. Go run leapyear.go. Yes, I can able to run the Go program. Okay, so now Go 1.19 is available globally to all the users whoever log into this machine. Now finally I confirm once again by login as a user called Java Forum. Yes. So Golang 1.19 installation on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 operating system is successful.